Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm so excited to be unboxing your May Teacher Care Crate this month. So let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate for May, you're going to love this theme. The theme is Cue the Confetti, and this was a special one that was a collab with Teaching with Grace and Design Studio. And so many fun things in this box. I can't wait to show you, but don't forget to stay to the very end because you're also going to get access to all your digital downloads. So let's dive into all the fun of the May Teacher Care Crate box. All right, up first, you are, of course, going to add to your art print collection something new. And this one, I love the colors. They're so bright and vibrant. This one, it's right here. It says, "Make today worth celebrating." And so, love this one. This is a great one to add to your collection or write a special note to somebody and gift it to them and brighten up their day. So, such fun colors that come in this box this month. So, fun for summer that is coming your way. Of course, what every teacher needs this summer is a brand new teacher hat. This one is a corduroy one. It is embroidered with this gorgeous Teach rainbow style. It's so cute. I cannot wait to use it this summer. Adorable, so soft and vibrant in the colors. So I definitely can't wait for you to receive yours. You're also going to enjoy something fun because you're also going to get a drink sleeve. So it says, "Let's get koozies." So this one is so adorable. I love the pink and the confetti. The thing is, you're also going to get a matching ice cream koozie. So this is perfect to keep your hands comfy and your dessert so cold. I think this is perfect for the summer. Again, it's a matching one, so super cute. I cannot wait for you to receive this. This is such a cool one to have. You're also going to love your new acne patches, and so these are perfect for those little areas that you need to brighten up. And so this is such a good one to have to add to your beauty supplies. And of course, to brighten up for your excitement for summer, you're going to get these fun sticker confetti. So definitely add a little yay to your day. This is such a cute one. So these sticker confetti is just absolutely adorable for you to brighten up your May. This is such a fun box for you to have this month, but don't forget, you can also get access to all your digital downloads through your QR code that you're going to have access to, and you're going to have all your desktop wallpapers, your teacher tokens and activity pages and other fun digital products. So don't forget to check those out that come with your box. Hope you love your May box, and don't forget to come back for some summer fun for our June box. All right, have a great summer.